Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to share my review about the K-Beauty Contour and Highlighter Palette, and this is called the K-Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro Palette, and this is enriched with macadamia oil and aloe, and this retails for rupees 1099 and you get 15 grams of the product. And this is how the Contour and Highlighter Pro Palette looks like. You get 3 shades inside this. Now it does come with a separated tube. In this Contour and Highlighter Palette you get a highlighter shade which is not exactly a highlighter shade. It acts more like a compact powder or setting powder for me. You get a bronzing powder and you also get a contour shade. Now this is a cool toned contour shade and the bronzer is towards the warmer side, and this is a neutral tone compact shade. I would not count it as a highlighter shade. The contour shade in this palette worked very well for me. I really like these powders because they are soft and finely milled. However, they do have a little bit of kickback when you apply these powders using your brush. But overall, these are nice, creamy and pigmented powders that show up on your face, and they work very well for my skin tone. And the contour shade is perfect for my skin tone, and the bronzing shade is also a very good match for medium skin tones, and the compact powder is obviously going to suit the medium skin tones again. So I think this palette is suitable for medium to dusky skin tones, but I would not say that this is extremely suitable for deeper darker skin tones or the extremely fair skin tones. If you fall in that somewhat medium skin category, then this palette is going to work for you. However, it mentions that if you want to lighten the bronzer shade, then you have to mix the bronzer shade and the highlighter shade to get a lighter shade of bronze for you. And if you want to make this palette work for you, if you have got darker skin tone, then you have to mix the bronzing shade and the contour shade to get a slightly darker shade for you. But that does not seem to work for me. I don't think it is going to work like that. I don't think that this palette is going to work if you have got medium skin tone. I do like the pigmentation of these powders. They are very well pigmented. They show up on your face, and it's very easy to work with these powders, as little quantity of this powder shows up on your face and you can easily see the contour shade on your skin. I loved applying this contour and highlighter palette, and this worked for my skin tone. However, I don't think that this is going to work for the fair skin tones and the darker skin tones. So you have to keep that in mind before purchasing this Contour and Highlighter Pro palette. Overall, I think this is a decent palette to go for, and I was not very highly impressed. Neither was I disappointed with this palette. I think this is a decent palette to go for, and so far I'm impressed with the results, and I'm going to continue using this palette as it worked decently for me. And I was not disappointed with this palette, but the only problem that I faced with this palette was that I don't think it is going to work for all skin tones. I think the powders are very well pigmented. They have got a very smooth texture. They do not feel chalky on the skin, and they work very well on my skin, and they last pretty decently on my skin too. And I loved applying these powders, and so far I don't have any issues with these powders. I would have loved the palette if they had given a highlighter palette instead of the compact shade that they have given. This mentions that it is a contour and highlight palette, but the highlighter shade that this palette has, it does not have any shimmer, so it is not going to work as a highlighter for you. It works more like a setting powder for me. I like to set my concealer with this powder, and it works very well for setting my concealer under my eyes, around the mouth area, on the bridge of the nose, and on the center of my forehead. I like to use this highlighter shade more as a compact powder than a highlighter shade, and this is nowhere close to a highlighter. And I would recommend you to purchase this palette only if you fall in the medium skin category. If you have got very fair skin tone, or if you have got darker skin tone, then I think you should stay away from this palette, as this is not going to work for you. Overall, this is a decent palette, and it is not a must-have, but it works well for me. I don't really have any issues with this palette. This powder definitely feels lightweight on your skin, and It blends very smoothly on your skin. It does not leave behind any patches, and it looks very natural when you apply this powder on your face. I especially love the bronzing and the contouring shade from this palette, and I highly recommend this palette if you're looking for a good contouring and bronzing shade for yourself. And this does give you a matte finish on your skin. It does not have any sort of shimmer particles inside it, and it gives you an absolutely matte finish. The powders are buildable and they are very easily blendable on your skin. It's very easy to work with these powders using a brush or even using your beauty blender. And I love using this palette, and I don't have any issues with this palette. It works fairly well for my skin tone, and so far I have loved using this contour and highlighter palette. I'm impressed with this palette, and I would recommend this palette to you if you are looking for a decent contour and highlighter palette. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.